Hey guys, this is PixieCake. Welcome to second HTML tutorial. In the last tutorial, we have discussed about how to create a basic web page using brackets and Google Chrome. Now I'm going to tell you about the functionalities of HTML. Let me open the previous web page. So this is our previous web page. Now I'm gonna add an extra line. So this is an extra line, and if we save this, I'm gonna press Ctrl and S, or you can use File, Save. You can see that the extra line is added adjacent to this hello world, but we wanna shift this extra line in the next line of the hello world. So for doing this, we must have to familiar about HTML tags and HTML stuff. For this, I'm gonna open a real website. So let's open the website example.com. So this is a example website example.com, and we have a feature in Google Chrome to see the source code of a web page. So let's right click and view source code, or you can press Ctrl and U. So this is the source code of this example.com. So this seems tons of code, but believe me, this is pretty easy. So I will go through all of the line by line codes. So first, this one, Doctype HTML. This is a declaration that the file is a HTML file. So nothing more than that. Now we can see many of this, and this look pretty similar. These are called tags. There are two types of tags. First is single tag and second is double tag. So these are double tags because this is a HTML tag. If you go down the page, you can see another HTML tag with a forward slash. So these are called double tags. Now this is called HTML tag. So that means that all of your HTML code will go inside these tags. Now you can see that under the HTML tag there is a head tag, and you can see that there is a head tag which is starting, and there is a ending head tag with forward slash. Now under the head tag you can see a body tag, this and this. So this is also a double tag. So we have learned that a website contains first a doctype declaration and then HTML tag, and inside this HTML tag there is a head tag and a body tag. So we're gonna implement and use these tags in our next website. So let's create it. Go to HTML, create a new file. I'm gonna name it 2 underscore first website, and change the extension also .html. Okay, now let's open it in brackets. So First we have to add the Doctype declaration. So this is our Doctype declaration. Now add the HTML tags. Now inside the HTML tags, you have to add a head tag and a body tag. So this is our first web page, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna run this file. So this shows nothing. So we have to put some content inside this. So first let me explain what is the meaning of this tag. So head tag contains the functional stuffs of the website, and body tag contains some tangible contents of a website. So tangible content means that the contents we can see, like some text, like some images. So let me put some content inside the body. So you have to put some content, tangible content which you can see inside the body part. Don't put it on the head section of this web page. Okay, so this is first line. Now I'm gonna save it, Control and S. Now let's refresh this. So this is first line. Now if you add more lines and save it and hit refresh, so the line goes to the next of the previous line. So splitting this two sentence in two separate lines, we have to add a tag between these two sentences, and this is a single tag, so don't use a closing tag. This is BR. So BR means line break. Now save it. So now this is going to the next line. Okay, now next thing you can do is, if you want to create some paragraph, so there will be a paragraph tag. So I'm gonna use it, which is a double tag, and so this is paragraph tag, and here you can write something. Now I'm gonna save it and hit refresh. So now this is appearing as a new paragraph. And one more tag I'm gonna mention is, in newspaper or something, you might have seen that there are some headlines which is in bold and big text. So I'm gonna create this type of things. So these tags are called header tags. So there are 6 type of header tags. First is the one, and this is also a double tag. Now this is header 1. Now write something. I'm gonna save it and hit refresh. So a big bold text. So now I'm gonna copy the header tag and the sentence inside this and paste. Now make this h2 and h2. So this is header 2. Now I'm gonna save this. So this is header 2. So this is quite bit smaller than the header 1. So there are 6 types of header: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So these are headers, and let me open the example.com page again. So you can see that in this tab section there is example domain, but in our case this is 2_firstwebsite.html. so this is the file name of this HTML page. So how to change the file name into some sweet title appearing in the tab? So for doing this, as this is not a tangible thing of your website, this is a functional thing, so you have to do this in the head section of our HTML page. So this is called title of the web page, and we have to use the title tag. Now for title tag, use title, and this is a double tag. Now this is our page title. Now save it and go to our website. So now the 2_ our website converted into this is our web title. So that's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.